Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys what products to avoid for your Amazon FBA business. So before I start, I just want to ask you guys to please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you guys are getting value so far. And that way other people can also get value from my videos, right? And my videos need to be seen. So I really appreciate you guys. So yeah, with that being said, so these are some products that you should avoid for your Amazon FBA business. So for this one second. One second. Yeah, for this one. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so for this one, I would avoid this one because of it's a hazmat product. So hazmat means it's a product that's flammable. So if you're an FBA seller, you're not going to be able to sell hazmat products because Amazon doesn't like flammable products at their fulfillment centers, right? There's going to be an exception though for this one. So FBM sellers are able to sell hazmat products, and also if you're an FBA seller, you can sell hazmat products as soon as Amazon gives you the permission, right? But as a new seller, you can. So I would just stay away from hazmat products. As far as the data, I mean, this one looks really good, right? The cost is 37. The sale price is 85. It's giving you a 74% ROI. It's selling at about 124 times a month. And if you look at other sellers, I mean, it's pretty decent as far as competition. Keepa is also pretty good. And the only issue with this one is that it's a hazmat one, right? It's a hazmat product. So yeah, I would stay away from this one as an FBA seller. Unless you get permission from Amazon, okay? Next one. So this product is sold out. So right here, it says this listing sold on January 7th at 4:36 a.m. So obviously, if the products are sold out, I would stay away from those products. But sometimes you find products, right, that have good data. So for this one, man, how much was this? Yeah, this one looks good, except that it's sold out. So what you can do is this: you can do a reverse search on this product. So I would click on your seller amp and then go to Google. And I would try to look for the exact same product from a different website or different supplier. So this one is an eye serum. So I'm going to look for this product on Google Shopping. Let's see, Ulta. So I have a separate video on how to do manual research. So for this one, the max cost of the product that you're searching needs to be about $32 or less. So now that I'm doing a reverse search, I would look for the same product that are at least $32, right? Maximum. Let's see, this could be it. Let's see, try that one. These ones I would close. Let's see, Macquarie has it for 29. Poshmark, okay. eBay. So let's see. So Osea, Ocean, Eyes. Let's see if it's the same product. Say Ocean Eyes, fine. Serum. It's the same one. So this is gonna be the same one, right? So it's 29 plus 430, so it's 3330. 3330. Yeah, this could. I think this should work. Actually, no. Sorry, yeah, I'm not sure if it's the same product, but yeah, just for this video, I'm gonna keep it simple. So if you guys see a product that's sold out, I would stay away from that product. And if you want to look for the exact same product, you can do a reverse search by going to your seller app and clicking on Google. And then from there, you go to Google Shopping and look for the exact same product. So let me close these tabs. And then I'm going to move on to the next one. Okay. Yeah, so for this product, again, this product is a hazmat product. So as a new FBA seller, you're not going to be able to sell hazmat products. I would stay away from it. If you're doing FBM, yes, you can do hazmat. And also, if you want to apply to become a hazmat seller as an FBA seller, you can. But in the beginning, just stay away from hazmat products. And if you look at the data, I think everything looks good. 6330. It's giving you a 27% ROI, 42 sales a month. It's selling it for, I mean, there's a lot of people in there, honestly, but I mean, it's okay. As far as data, it's a pretty okay product. The only issue is hazmat, right? So I'm not going to repeat myself again. Hazmat products, just stay away from me. Next one. Okay, so this one. Okay, so the problem with this, well, it's also a hazmat one, right? So it's a hazmat product. So it's not really a good one to sell as a new FBA seller. If you're doing FBM, you can. But the real problem with this one is that the supplier is from eBay, right? It's at eBay.com. And this one is not a buy now eBay product. So here, right, it says bidding sold on December 24th. So this one you had to bid. And you can bid. You can bid on eBay. But as long as you win the bid, it's a good product to sell on Amazon, right? But if you don't, like this one, you can't. So I usually tend to stay away from products that are asking me to bid. I usually go for buy now products on eBay, and that way it's just easy, right? I just buy it from eBay, and then I ship it to Amazon, and they sell it. I usually stay away from products that give me extra steps like bidding. So if you see any like bidding products on eBay, I would just stay away from that. So yeah, guys, here are some examples of products that you should stay away from, and I hope you guys have value from the video. And again, if you guys get any value from the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and that way other people can see it too. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.